Curious about what happens at your first prenatal visit? I'm Nicole, I'm a certified nurse midwife and first-time mom myself, and let's break down what happens at your first prenatal visit. It's also great to bring a support person or partner along for this one. First, we're gonna take your vital signs, your blood pressure, heart rate, and ask you to step on the scale. Getting your weight taken can be very triggering and cause a lot of anxiety. Just know that you can always decline it. Or you can take your weight at home on your own scale and just tell us what it is when you come in. That's what I did in my pregnancy. Then we're gonna go through your full past medical history. This is going to include allergies, what medications you're taking, chronic diseases, if you've had past surgeries, and a full obstetric history, how many times you've been pregnant, and if there were any complications. Then your provider is going to do a physical exam. This is going to include listening to your heart and lungs, a thyroid exam, and maybe a breast exam depending on your age and risk factors. If you're over 12 weeks pregnant, we're going to try to listen to baby's heartbeat with the Doppler and measure the size of your uterus. Every provider is different, but we have really gotten away from doing internal or pelvic exams unless you need a pap smear. I also like to ask the partner to step out of the room so we can talk about more sensitive issues in private. This usually includes history of abuse or trauma, history of sexually transmitted infections if you feel safe in the home, or any history of abortions. Sometimes your ultrasound is scheduled in this appointment and sometimes it's separate, so you want to make sure to clarify that. And all this information is super important for us to know so we can help you have the healthiest pregnancy possible. At the end, we're going to order your labs and go over all the pregnancy education. Make sure to ask any questions if you have them, and comment your pregnancy questions below and I'll make sure I get to them.